going round in circles with nowhere else to go, looking for some answers to questions they don't know. I know someone real who satisfies the emptiness they try so hard to hide. Jesus has come, take water for your thirsty soul. I know you've lost your way, cast away. I can make your life whole. Jesus has come, my grace will lift you up. My love can drown your fear, my arms will hold you safe. Jesus has come. The Lord is good and He always does what's right. He said His yoke is easy and His burden is light. Cast your care on Jesus, for it is He who cares for you. Rest and peace will comfort all the night through. I know someone will satisfy the emptiness you try so hard to hide. Jesus has come, take water for your thirsty soul. I know you've lost your way, cast away. I can make your life whole. Jesus has come, my grace will lift you up. My love can drown your fear, my arms will hold you safe. Jesus has come. Jesus has come, take water for your thirsty soul. I know you lost your way, cast away. I can make your life whole. Jesus has come, my grace will lift you up. My love can drown your fear, my arms will hold you safe. Jesus has come. Jesus has come. Jesus has come.
Amen. At least naibawan na to someone nga